Hello, little chefs! Welcome to our kitchen adventure. Today, Chef Rabbit is going to show us how to make delicious energy balls. And guess what? No fire, no cooking. Just mix, roll, and enjoy.
Hello friends, let's get started. But first, wash your hands properly. Good hands make yummy snacks. Look at our simple ingredients. Healthy, tasty and super fun to mix. First, I am adding the mashed dates into the bowl. Now, let's add some crunchy mixed nuts. And finally, biscuit powder. Now it's time for the fun part. Mix, mix, mix. Wow! It's getting sticky. That means it's perfect. Take a small portion and roll it in your hands. Like this. Roll, roll, roll. Perfect little energy balls. Let's give it a yummy coating. Ta-da! Our first energy ball is ready. These energy balls are so delicious. The sweetness of dates and the crunch of nuts make them extra special. Friends, what should we try next time? Tell me in the comments. Bye bye, little chefs. See you soon.
Great job, Chef Rabbit. Friends, always check with an adult before using nuts, especially if you have allergies. Wasn't that fun? Now you know how to make delicious no-cook energy balls. The next time you're looking for a healthy snack, you can follow Chef Rabbit's easy steps. Remember to ask a grown-up if you need help with any ingredients. Don't forget to like, subscribe and come back for more fun recipes with Little Chef Rabbit. See you in our next kitchen adventure. Goodbye.
Hello friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.